This is one of my new favorite wireless mic for your camera for this year, the Boya Magic. It's got so much features, and on top of it being this handheld microphone that goes into your camera and your phone, it's also a tiniest microphone that comes with two, and it's got some features that those expensive other $300, $400 wireless mic doesn't have. Let's talk about it. Check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content like how I'm doing so you can live a life of freedom, hit that like and subscribe and let's go. This is way more affordable than those $300, $400 wireless mic that's out there right now, right? And it's got so much features, and let's kind of go over what I love about it the most. Now, first off, I've been shooting interviews with microphones like this guy here. Instead of having this tiny little wireless mic and just making them hold it uncomfortably, they have a microphone that they can hold and talk right into it. Now, you could hold it with a stick just like this, but of course, you know, when you're outdoor and it's got some wind blowing, this little muffler is really nice, and it looks like a professional mic. They could just do this and talk and then pass it around, and whoever holds the mic, instead of them talking over each other, they kind of wait till they get this mic.
I just want to say congrats to you both.
You're both such incredible, special people deep down.
It's been so special to see your love story grow. We love you guys so much.
We love you guys, man. Love you.
Grape, I love you very much.
I'm already wishing that we could relive it all over again.
It's kind of nice to have this professional mic. Being the only wireless lapel microphone that transforms into a mic like this, it comes with everything that you need for your professional camera, whether you're making content with your phone or with your professional cameras. It comes with everything that you need all in one, so you don't have to get extra stuff. So for content creators, I definitely recommend this mic. This mic that I'm holding up. Handle. So you could put this a little quarter thread on the bottom right here. Boom. Pop this out right here. And it comes with this tripod, which is very neat. And there you go. You could have a podcast studio just like that. It's so neat. Put that in there. Boom. How cool is this little guy? I swear, it's the coolest little mic ever. So on top of that, it comes with this. And it's got a little cold shoe plate on the side. Maybe for lights. I don't know what the cold shoe plate is. So this little tripod is very cool in its own. This handheld mic isn't actually a mic. It is, but it's really a charging case. It's charging your two tiny wireless mics. The cool thing about this little guy is how tiny it is. I have a couple of other small little mics that's the size of a quarter, but this is even smaller because it's the size of your finger. Look at that. How crazy is that? It looks like a finger because the microphone is the shape of your fingernail, so that's crazy. It's got a tiny little cute clip, and then it also has a tiny little strong magnet. Put the magnet behind it and you get two. Just make sure when you're using the mic, the one that activates it is the one on top. So if you got to put both of them in there, but if you got to put just one, and make sure it's on the top. It uses that to record your audio. So it's also charging at the same time. So each little mic will give you 6 hours of battery life, but put it back in, charge it, and in total you get 30 hours all combined together. It's got a little USB-C. Here is the receiver for your camera. It's very simple to use. It just has a power button and a 3-level volume level button, and weaker and so on. Just tap that too. Comes in this cool little bag. So it comes with both Lightning, which is about to just go obsolete now that iPhone is just making all USB-C connectors now. Has a USB-C. That's how tiny it is. So if you're using a gimbal on your phone or a tripod, that's nothing. That's a very tiny little receiver. This dongle has a USB-C input so that you can charge your phone at the same time. Double tap the button to mute and unmute. It works with your phone, tablet, computer, and you use the 3.5mm TRS cable for your camera. The app lets you adjust output gain, noise cancellation level, to turn on safety track. It has an extensive equalizer and a handful of other professional features. Noise cancellation, they use AI, so depending on how strong the background is, tries to either strain it or weaken it to make the noise cancellation better. I was at a wedding during reception. The DJ is blasting his music. It is so loud you can't hear anybody, and I'm right nearby the speaker because the people I want to interview just happens to be right there. Now here it is with the AI noise cancellation on, right next to the speaker.
3, 2, 1. Congratulations! We love you!
So as you can see, it does an amazing job. Yes, if it's super loud and you could tell it's struggling a little bit to do a noise cancellation, but if it's just like a loud city or anything little less than a blasting music, then it absolutely does an amazing job noise canceling. So I love it. The noise cancellation on this one is definitely one of the best. It has a limiter also, so that way if it becomes super loud like that, it doesn't corrupt your audio. So I love that. It's a little extra help to make it audio sound great. It comes with a dead cat, a little wind muffler that you could just simply attach to the front. On top of it, coming with a little foam muffler, it also comes with a dead cat muffler. So you could put this on for those super windy days and make sure that you get great audio with this guy. And on top of that, you could get little accessories from Boya. That it's a necklace that allows you to attach, you want to just wear it around your neck. And also, this is kind of cute. I got this one too. It's a foam cover and it's color coordinated. So you get the red, blue, yellow, and in case you want to color coordinate yourself or something. So that's kind of neat. Just something a little extra to have fun with. So I definitely recommend it. Content creators, people who wants to do interviews and so on, and you just need multiple things, podcast, very affordable. And the fact that it's super tiny, I love it. It almost kind of disappears. When you put this on, then it just kind of disappears into them. So I love how tiny that is. So very fun mic. I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. Very cool mic. Taking this today to the wedding for some interviews.